Hi, I'm Rosalind Jones, founder and CEO of ProDance and the owner and director of Cheers Cheerleading School in San Antonio, Texas. We're here at Aerial Athletics and we want to show you a Go Team Go chant. The materials that you'll need are a really great supportive pair of cheerleading tennis shoes, a nice loose-fitting pair of shorts, and any type of a t-shirt that's long that'll cover your torso. You should always try to wear your hair up and off of your face and try to get into a gym where they have a spring floor or a tumbling mat. When you're doing cheers, a set of palms would be very helpful. 2 small show palms, any color that you wish. Go, team, go. We're going to clap on the pause. On go, we're going to hit a right L. We're going to switch it on the second go to a left L. Go. We're going to spell out G on a clap.
G.
And O, they're going to clasp again. On go, we're going to do a right punch. On team, we're going to pull that elbow back. On go, they're going to hit that punch again. On the pause, they're going to hit a clap. And we repeat. Go, go, G, O, go, team, go. Again. Go, go, G, O, go, team, go. Last time. Go, go, G, O, go, team, go. And that's how you do a Go Team Go chant. Clean, 1, 2. Go, team, go. Go, go, G, O, go, team, go. Go, go, G, O, go, team, go. Last time. Go, go, G, O, go, team, go.
3, 1, 2. Come on, thanks. Now I do a palm dance or ribbon dance. Go Mustangs!